This step is optional. Smooth out deep grout lines to ensure a smooth surface. For best results, ensure the floor is properly prepared, clean, smooth, and free from dust and dirt. Next step is to peel the backing and apply on the surface. This vinyl tiles is easy to cut, making it easy to achieve your desired sizes. You'll find installing these vinyl tiles incredibly easy. Get inspired with this unique design patterns. The possibilities are endless. Their waterproof and oil-proof nature makes these tiles incredibly easy to clean and wipe. Nove Crafto, your premier destination for home improvement